Supply chain teams juggle ASNs, packing lists, and inspections manually, leading to delayed receipts, carrier penalties, and disputes that hurt your bottom line. AuGENT captures ASNs, bills of lading, packing lists, and invoices as they arrive, creating a unified case packet for each shipment. AuGENT classifies ASNs, packing lists, bills of lading, and invoices automatically, adapting to any format without templates. AuGENT pulls PO numbers, ASN numbers, weights, piece counts, and shipping dates into structured data, turning PDFs into actionable records. AuGENT validates shipment data against POs and TMS rules, flagging discrepancies for immediate resolution. Exceptions are delivered to staff with full context, enabling quick decisions and continuous learning for the AI. AuGENT builds carrier-specific claim packets automatically, attaching ASNs, packing lists, and proof of delivery for fast resolution. AuGENT reconciles carrier invoices against shipment records and POs, automatically posting approved data to your ERP and WMS. Leaders gain actionable insights into OTIF, exceptions, and payment cycles, enabling continuous optimization across the network. AuGENT ensures compliance with security policies and provides an end-to-end audit trail for every shipment. AuGENT transforms supply chain operations with intelligent document processing, boosting visibility, reducing penalties, and accelerating payment cycles.